How to fix Roblox white screen error. So if you want to fix your Roblox white screen error, then what you need to do is first you just need simply press Windows and R keys together and it will take you to the run command. Now here you need to enter percentage, local app data percentage, and then hit the enter or OK. And here you need to scroll down and then you will find Roblox folder. Once you find, you need to click on it or just simply go with local. And here you need to delete this whole folder. Right click on it and then just simply go with delete. It will delete all of your temporary files, cache, logs on your Roblox. And now just go and exit from here and then you will have your recycle bin. You need to open up your recycle bin and then clean your recycle bin as well. Go with empty recycle bin and then click on yes and that should be good. Just simply go with a restart. And now test your Roblox. If it still doesn't work, then try updating your GPU. So what you have to do is type device manager and then click on it. Now under display adapters, you will have these kind of drivers. So you just need simply go with the driver and update your driver. And after updating your driver, try restarting your PC or uninstalling your Roblox and then reinstalling it and your problem will be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.